Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a couple of my favourite products. It's the XA-3P and XA-8P, and they are pattern generators and signal analysers. So for what I'm going to show you applies to both of them, but just so you know, the 8P version supports 8K and HDCP 2.3, and the 3P is the 4K equivalent. So if you imagine a scenario on site where you've got a TV with no picture showing, and that TV is fed by a chain of about 5 or 6 devices. So instead of scrambling around trying to find a spare source and a spare TV, you can with one of these, which because it has HDMI input and output, you can take this to every position in the signal path, and you can test the incoming signal and or generate a pattern to send downstream to the TV and test if the downstream signal path works. So it becomes a very quick task to identify where your signal is breaking down. It also has some EDID management and manipulation if you've got a complex EDID problem. It is USB or battery powered, so you don't have to worry about finding a socket if you're up a ladder. And I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how it works. So this TV is showing what it shows when it does not have a signal. So I'm going to find out what's going on. I'm going to unplug the cable, plug it into here. So I can see on the screen here I'm getting a signal, but it's at 4K resolution, and I know this TV does not support 4K. So I'm going to change the settings on the source to HD. And then once I've done that, if I plug it back in, we should see the picture return. So it'll take a few seconds. But so using this, it gives me a very quick way of diagnosing and fixing the problem. So thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit www.cypeurope.com.